Hey guys, so today I will be doing a frontal install with a cash doll inspired, crimp wave look. Anyway, this is one of my custom frontals and this is 18 inches, I believe. So I'm just gonna start off by braiding my client. Well, this is my cousin, so if y'all see us acting foolish, y'all know why. This is my cousin. So I'm just gonna start off by braiding her hair. You guys know that I do straight backs, so you want to start off by doing straight backs to your client. This is the best braiding method for a frontal install because it leaves everything flat and sleek. You're gonna see she has sideburns now, but I shaved her sideburns off because, girl, that's just too much. And for her frontal to look flawless, we need to shave that off. So don't be scared to put a razor on these people. So I shaved her sideburns off. You'll see it. So yes, just go ahead and continue to braid straight back. As you see my technique. And then when I'm sewing her up, you're gonna see how I connect the braids in the back. Of course, you guys know I'm going in my Got To Be gel, and I'm putting it just on the edges of the look at us, we're so foolish. I think we was rapping Megan Thee Stallion, but anyway, so I'm gonna go of course and put this on the edges of the cap. This is to help lay the cap down, and then I'm gonna go in with some Got To Be spray and just spray it where I laid the gel. Then after that, you want to put your client, whoever it is, under the dryer or blow dry your hair for like 10 minutes or less. You just want it to be hard. Like, you want it to be dry and hard. That's how everything is going to stick and lay flat. When cutting the cap off, you want to be very careful. Now, I never did this to anyone else, but to my cousin, I did a little snip on her, whatever, because she's just so light sometimes. It should be funny. But yeah, anyway, so you want to be very careful. So you see, I'm pulling the skin down, I'm pressing the skin and pulling the cap up. This is so I could get there, cut closely to her head, but not cut her. So you want to cut closely. And just be very careful. I advise you to get small scissors or small shears, just so that it's the easiest process, because with bigger shears, it's really hard to cut the cap. glue I'm using is bolt hold glue. I love bolt hold. It's either bolt hold or lace grip, you guys know. Either or for me does the job. But yeah, I'm using bolt hold glue on her. And I'm just doing little dots across the forehead closer to the cap, just so that it lays the cap down also. So that's why you want to make sure your cap is in front of their hairline when you place it, because you don't want anything getting on their hair. So when it's time to take it out, it's just an easy process. I call these things popsicle sticks. I don't know, but I'm using this stick, this wooden stick, to spread out the glue. You don't want to use your fingers, or you can use a comb, whatever works best for you, like the edge tip of the comb. But I'd rather use these popsicle sticks. You could just throw it away after, and they come with so many in the pack. And I'm just going to spread it lightly across her forehead, because you don't want it to be thick. That's when it seeps through the lace. So you don't want anything seeping through the lace. You want it to be smooth and flat. Now when I'm laying down the frontal, I'm just going to pull it all the way down. Now I'm going to make sure that this hair is like, well, the lace is pressed into the glue. So I'm going to take a comb and I'm going to just press the edges of the hairline into the glue, as you see here. So this is going to help you get all of the extra strands out of the way, and it's also going to help the lace slick into the glue. Unfortunately, my camera had died, so I couldn't really show you guys me finishing up her sewing. But yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all a little bit. I'm gonna have another video of me crimping her hair, so you could go and watch that. It will be posted right after this. So yeah, I have a video of me specifically crimping her hair just so you can see exactly what I'm doing and the process and how long it took and how I get it to look so sleek and straight. See, I'm just gonna go in and crimp her hair. She wanted the cash doll look that she currently has now, so this is what we're doing. You guys know I hate the flattened baby hairs look, so I'm just going and tweaking out some hairs, and I'm just combing the baby hairs just so they look a little bit more natural and shaping them just a little bit better. And then you'll see that this is the finished look after I flattened everything down and perfected. She loved her hair, but we were just so tired because we've been there all day just playing games anyway. But yeah, this is the look. Yes, the lace is melted into her skin, literally. Like, this is her hair, this is her scalp, sis. Like, this is her scalp. But yeah, like, she looks so pretty, and it's her birthday, so I'm gonna have a vlog of her turning up and, you know, getting lit this weekend for her birthday. But anyway, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely have more videos coming for you guys, different looks, and be sure to watch the next video after this just so you can see how I got these crimps to be the way they were. Bye, you guys.